So, how do we relieve breast engorgement fast? So, what's going on with your breasts is that your breasts actually have a lot of fluid retention in them and inflammation. So, if you can imagine that your breasts have these tiny little pipes that run through the breast towards the nipple and deliver the milk to the baby. These pipes, what's happened is that they've actually gotten constricted. So the pipes, instead of being fully wide open, have now kind of closed in a little bit on themselves, making it harder to get that milk removal process happening. Why have those pipes sort of tightened up? Well, because there's a lot of inflammation that's happening around your breast throughout the breast tissue. This can be caused by infrequent removal of milk supply. It can be caused by fluid retention during labor and during delivery. So, what we want to do is we want to reduce the inflammation around the breast so that those pipes can actually open up a bit wider and that the milk can flow out of the breast better. A lot of people think that that hardness, that fullness in the breast is all milk, but we now know that that's not the case. So, how do we go about relieving this through breast lymphatic drainage? So, what you want to do is you actually want to start by working around the chest wall. We actually don't want to be putting a lot of pressure on the breast itself. So, you can start with some gentle circular massages going along your clavicle, like so. All right, so we're just gently kind of massaging that lymphatic system along the clavicle in that circular motion. Next, we can take our hands and actually go up into the armpit and go up and down, up and down, up and down, maybe repeating 5 to 10 times there. Next, what we want to do is relieve the pressure that's around the chest wall. We're just going to use fingertip massages here, and we're not going to be pressing firmly on the breast or the chest wall. So we're actually going to take our fingertips and just kind of lightly stroke up towards the chest, and we're going to work all around the breast tissue, maybe kind of doing sort of 5 to 10 in each spot, working towards the breast wall and the chest and up towards the clavicle. A lot of times moms will have engorgement here, going up into their armpits. They might even have some swelling in their armpits as well. And then we're going to work the chest wall down here as well. We're going to repeat this process before every time that we feed and that we pump our breasts. Okay, and then afterwards, after feeding and after pumping our breasts, we actually want to apply a cold ice compress to the breast to reduce that inflammation. You can also check in with your healthcare provider about taking an anti-inflammatory drug such as an ibuprofen to help reduce swelling.